Hello everyone, it's Christian from CNM Reptile. So we got a lot of questions on why do we spoon feed our geckos. It's quite simple. We love them and we make baby noises, which is compulsory. But all jokes aside, it's actually a winning process that we are doing. A lot of these guys, the same as the ball pythons, get to you. The guys only fed them one flavor with one nutrient requirement, and they just stuck to it. So they don't know anything else. So to get them a wider spectrum diet, we actually introduce small amounts of different flavors, different because Pangea has different requirements in their food packets for egg laying, breeding, all those type of things. But if the gecko is not used to it, they won't eat it. And since they have an incredible sense of smell, if you do not introduce it like this, then if you put it in a bowl in their enclosure, they won't know what it is and most likely won't eat it. So we are introducing it this way and then we change it up. And then when you put a bowl into the enclosure, you will actually have a better result of them going to eat at the bowl. We also then, some of these guys never ate an insect in their life before, so we start mashing up some insects into the Pangea, normally with the flavors that they are used to, and then mashing up some bugs alone and feeding it to them, and then all of a sudden you will see that they will start eating bugs. We also found that some of them will eat on your hand, like this one. Some of them you must place just on your bed and nobody holding it, and they will have better results on feeding. Same with fruits that we add to their diet. And then also you will get that if you put crickets into the enclosure, they will actually start hunting them as well. So yeah, it's a few tips that we picked up during the time with these geckos. And I truly hope that this helps you to introduce better varieties and better nutritional values to your geckos in the future. I truly hope this helps. Uh, like and subscribe. Thank you.